Hey guys, it's Brock from ASDM Gaming, and I got some Cuphead plushies that me and my mom ordered. So this is my unboxing video. Now I'll just have to get this. Whew. One, two. Sorry guys, it's just hard to do it with one hand. I got. There we go. Now we'll try. So first I'm gonna do Catney Carnation. This one's probably bought from Cuphead, and you should have legs, but it probably shouldn't. So I'll see if I can try making him look like he is when he gets a plant. So now it's just okay. Ooh. And there we go.
Would you like me to hold this for you?
Yeah. Now we got Catney. Yeah. So, for a Cuphead, and you should try downloading the game because it might be pretty hard, but I do know a hack that me and Austin can play. Now the next one will be Devil. As you see, he's pretty short, and also the final boss. And I'll just get the horns in. There we go.
I can just hold that for you, so you can just talk and
And
play.
as you might see, he's a little furry. He could also get a little bit of the claws as he does in the game. And then next I'll try, and then Kind of Maria. Mostly you know she's a mermaid, but yeah, doesn't really have any legs, and all that she can do is sit down like this. But that's just how she made her design, because she doesn't have any legs. Well, now we get to Miss Chalice. She's usually gonna be the DLC of the new Cuphead game, like Cuphead DLC, which is his last course. Also pretty smart. And then we'll do the Ghost Cuphead, or as I can say about it, as Cuphead Soul. Like, I'll be taking a soul. And you don't realize I'm a ghost, right? Oh, wait, it's Cuphead body there, but then, yeah, I'm just a soul. Then you just stand right now. Yeah, once you get down, fine, I'll be back. Oh, good then. Yeah, those are the voices I'll try making when I do videos about them. But now for this part we'll bring in Cuphead. Hey, gotta find out strong. But get the sandals. There we go. Yeah. Oh, it's a book. What? I just. Oh, yeah, now the rest of them. Okay. Now I'll just get Mugman. And I get this drop and up. There we go. Normally you can guess that they're ordinary brothers and some other stuff. Now that's here. Now finally, a bully little king dice. He can take a little bit off his jacket. Get. Like, hey, one more roll of my head and then you'll get it. Get him. Oh! Run the snake ass. And that's basically the whole collection. Which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plushies in total. I might make a few videos. And so then I would say press like if you want me to do a video, and dislike if not. But the videos to me with those guys. But my mom doesn't really want me to do the dislike thing, so just click like. And make sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and comment down what you want to say. Yeah, like if you have the game, or if they're so cool, like all that stuff. Now, and that's it for this video. Bye.